Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Morton Lawn and Landscapes in the building, and today I'm going to show you guys the process of how we do a spring cleanup. We got mulch, we got bush trimming, pulling weeds, all of it. Come along, I'm going to show you the process. We've got some weeds growing in it, but I'm just going to get in there and just start taking all that stuff out of there. All right, man, so we are in the middle of it, and we just got torrential downpours. I'm soaking wet, and the job's looking really good though. So far, I'm knocking it out, doing a little extra. You know how I do it. Trim this bush up, put some mulch in there, trim all this shit up and put some mulch in. But looking at the radar, it's stopping for like 15 minutes and it's getting ready to rain for the rest of the day. Trim the bushes and put the mulch out. Come on, y'all, does that look good or what? We even took care of the weeds they had in here. I hit it with the weed eater, and then we sprayed the whole bed with the chemical solution to kill that off. So